Top. Walk to either pull. Top. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's walk. Good. Are we sweating?
Yes, I am.
I know, man. It's sneaky. It sneaks up on you. All right, 2 up, 2 back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. And 1, 2, 1. Okay, very simply, that run is coming. It's going to jump out at you. And you need to jump back at it. You got this. Come on. Don't be scared. You're here. That's the scariest part. Come on, you're right here. Do me a favor. Find that key. Go. Keep those knees up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Good. Very nice. All right. Find that key. Let's go. Kicks in place. 3. Alternating front. Let's go. Kick. Kick. Good. Just like that. Very nice. Do me a favor. Ask me to jump over. Oh, yeah. I love jumping rope, but that's go. Yeah, that's up. Good. All right. Let's try and hop in place. 4, 3, hop in place. Good. 1. Good. Good. Single leg hop. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Single leg. Good. There you go. That's our jump rope combo. Those 3 moves. 4, 3, 2, 1. In place. 2, 1. Hop. All right.
Yeah.
Move, baby. Very good. All right. Let's go. Jump rope combo one more time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And kick. Kick. Good, guys. 4, 3, 2. Hop in place. Here we go. Hop. 2. Good. Single leg. 4, 3, 2, and go. Hop. Hop. Good, guys. Nice. Okay, hey, you messed this up. Don't worry. Go back to running or a power walk. 4, 3, 2. Run in place. Let's go. Hey.
Yeah.
Not at the point where you can be running like this, yes? Just go right back to power. Power walk. Yeah, do power walk and Rocky. That's power walk and business right there. You're welcome to go back and back. Go Rocky, I know you want to go. Come on.
I'll take
Here we
you
go.
for
Here we go.
it.
Two back. Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, good. 1, 2, 1, 2, good. Hey, this is the hardest part right here. Keep breathing, guys. Hold those abs. Woo! Very nice. We're going to transition to the motion here. Lower walk. Do me a favor. Run in place. Turn that into a power walk. You made it through the run, baby.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Nice and slow. Good job. All right. Heel tap your tongue. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Heel tap. What we're doing here is we're bringing the heart rate back down to a manageable pace. Not a resting heart rate. We are not done. We're just stabilizing the heart rate to get us prepared for the lift that's coming. Woo! I'm already sweating.
Me
It's
too.
good, man. It's good move. And healthy choices today. Good job. Good. 4, 3, 2, back to walking. Here we go. Stop. Good, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Side step. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side step. Single. Good. There we go. Oh, yeah. Good. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's walk. Good. All right. Out, in, it's coming. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Out, in. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Good. Very nice. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to walking. Good job, everyone. Wow, man, I'm sweating. Woo! Good job. Heel taps are coming. 4, 3, 2, heel taps. Let's go. All right, the lift is coming up. So in a minute here, we're going to take a lap. We're going to go grab our band. At home, you already know where your band is. It's not a drive. It's backward strategy.
I got mine.
Back to the lift. I'm going to keep that pace. Okay? 4, 3, 2, just walk here. Come on. All right, guys, come on. Let's take All right, thank you, Tammy. All right, guys, double bicep curls is the end of this cycle. So we're going to put one foot in the middle of the band here, and we're going to do double bicep curls, bend those knees, abs in. Let's go. Up and down. Good. Up and down. Bend those knees. Good, very nice. Hey, we get to do this one more time here the next cycle. So think about grabbing that next loop next time to improve your resistance a little bit. But whatever is best for you, I want you to do that. Good. 4, 3, 2, nice and slow here, and 1. Oh yeah, good. Oh, very nice. All right, cool. Tricep extension. Same idea. I'm going to step on this first band. If you want a little bit more resistance, Corey, you can step on the second loop. We're going to bring that arm all the way up. Elbow legs to the head. Up. And up. Good. Very nice. Up. Now you can see one got her hand on her hip and help stabilize herself. Or if you want to keep your hand on your tummy or by your arm, you really feel that muscle working. Oh yeah. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side, very nice. Guys, every rep gets you stronger. You're doing great. Let's go. Here we go. And down, up. Very nice. Down, up, down, up. Good. Keep it going. Up. Good. Woo! One more of these. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Last set with a double bicep curl. Same foot. Let's do this. If you want to grab the other rings, you can. Here we go. And down. Pick it up when you can. And down. Up. Down. Ooh, that's nice, guys. Very good. One last rep. Very good. All right, let's throw these bands down. Take a left. Here we go. I'll take that for you. Good job, guys. We're going to get back into the next cycle. Rocky's going to lead it for us. Very good.
You're walking with me. Let's go. Come on, team. Cycle 2. We're taking it again. Let's bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Oh, yeah. Let's keep that arm pumping. Rise up a little bit. Then go back up. Take deep breath in and out. Walk that hook.
Oh, yeah.
Come on now. Side step right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Come on. Yes. And 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's just squeeze that arm. Opposite this. We can touch our friends at home. I hope you feel it. Walk it out. Right here. That's it. Now, don't forget to engage that belly, all that ab work. Working on. Here we go. 5, 6, knee lift. Right here. Knee. Now we're going to do a combo. Kick it right here. Kick it. Kick. You see that? How I tricked you into moving a little double pump. Go back to knee. Come on. Ha. Jump stick. And we'll just drop it down. Kick that. And kick. That's it. 5, 6, don't get out, everyone. Here we go. Ha. That's it. Push. Widen our stance a little bit. Pulling in that belly. Stop. Your knees. Bring those knees. 5. We have 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit 5. If you're proud of me, come on. Walk it out. That's it. So walk it. I think we need to pick it up a little bit.
Oh, I can help you with that. Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
Thanks for the walk,
You got it.
All right, very nice. Back you got to run. That was awesome. Get our heart rate back up even higher. Get maximum benefit right now. This is our last run. Woo! Come on. All right, let's go right into our jump rope combo. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And kick. 2. Good. Keep it coming. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Hop and play. Let's go. Good. 4, 3, 2. Take the leg off. Let's go. Hop. Hop. Good. Nice. You're almost there. Those arms strong. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Run and play. Let's go. Hop. Good job, everybody. Woo! Alright, let's go. 2 up and 2 back. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And 1, 2, back. Good. 1. Back. Good job. Hop. Back. Good. Hop. Oh yeah. 2 more. 1. Last one. Here we go. 1. And back. So 1 and 2. Let's go. Hop. Alright, jump rope combo. Last one coming. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hop. 1 more. 3, 2. Hop in place. Let's go. Hop. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Take the leg out. Good job. 1 more. 4, 3, 2. Let's run. Come on. This is it right here.
Woo! Yeah.
High knees right here. Let's go. High knees. Let's go. Very nice. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 back. Regular run. That music's about to change. We're going to pay attention. Back into that slower pace. Good job. Very nice. Power walk right here. You made it. You made it. Good. Very good. Heel tap. 4, 3, and 1. Let's go. Heel tap. You got it. This is it right here. Bring that heart rate back down to a manageable pace. Stabilizing your breath. Take control once again of your arms and your legs. Good. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's walk. Good. All right. We're going to go tap out. Tap out. Okay. 4, 3, 2. Tap it out. Here we go. Tap it out. Good. Just like that. Nice and easy. Remember, we're not bringing it back down to a resting heart rate. Just do a manageable one. Good. Can we switch a little bit? Just because we're going a little slower doesn't mean we take it to abs in. You never regret a workout, Corey? You ever regret a workout? No? How about the rest of you? Good. 3, 2, 1. Let's walk. I know that was a little apprehensive. Good. It's easy. You skip a workout if you have regret, right? Very good, guys. All right, we're going to kick back. Shoulders apart. Kick back. We're coming up. Hands to the front. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Kick back. Good. Just like that. Nice. Good. You get the arm straight up in the air. Just make sure our abs are engaged. When our arms come up to the sky, our abs automatically. Good. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's walk. Good. How we feeling, everybody? Good job. All right. Yep. Do me a favor. We're going to take a lap in just a second here. We're going to go grab our band on the lap, left side. I want to make the most of it. So let's go ahead and take our lap now. Boom. Let's go grab our band. And let's get her done. Oh, yeah. We're running. I forgot. Come on. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you. Hey, thanks, Corey. All right, guys. Good job. Very nice. Woo, here we go. Last one. Double bicep curls. I'm going to use my opposite foot as I did in the beginning. And Corey said he wanted to grab the second loop, didn't you? Yeah, okay, good job.
You gotta get up and work it out, baby.
Yeah. Good. Hey, push yourself. This is it. We're emptying the tank right here. You showed up to work out and you may as well get the most out of it. Come on. Good. Top. Top. Okay, give me 4 more. You got this. Come on. Breathe. 2. Abs in. 3. Last one. Good job, everybody. Tricep extensions. Hey, you did good. I made you do 4 extra on that one. But I appreciate it. I appreciate you still standing here. Here we go. Here we go. Extend. Good job. Come on, this is it. This is for you right here. Good. 4 more. Let's go. 4. You got it. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Other side. Good job. Remember, every rep gets you stronger. And we're so glad you came to walk, run, and lift with us today. Let's go. Up. Good job. Elbow right next to the head. Nice and stable. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Last set, double bicep curls, and you are done.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. stretch it out in just a minute here. Let's get this last set in. Come on. Bend those knees, abs in. Hey, let's make this one count. Let's go. Up, down, good. Up, down, good. Up. Corey's still doing the second loop. Love you for that, dude. Good. Ha. Good. 4 more. Here we go. 4. You got this. Come on. 3. While you're here. Come on. 2. Last one. Nice and slow. And 1. Yeah. Nice job. All right, good. Set the band down, guys. Good work. Arms stretch out. Yeah, feel that chest. Good job, everybody. Arms across the body. Oh, man, you made it.
Yep.
Woo! I know, it'd be nice to just go sit down, but we gotta cool off. Relax. Cool out, man. All right, other foot. Good job, a little across the body. Very good. All right, guys, very nice. Stretching over. Abs in. Stretching the side. And hey, after we're done with this today, if you want to keep stretching, go for it. We won't stop you. Other side, guys. Good job. Very nice. Take your time. Very, very important. It's the most important stretch just as it is to warm up. Good, very nice job. Turn to face the side. We're going to press that calf down into the ground. If you have a chair or a wall to press against, or a friend, you can press against them. Stretching that calf, nice and even leaning forward, so very good. Woo! Good job. All right, let's go other side. Very nice. Pressing forward. Nice work, everybody. Oh, yeah, you did this. You did this. Good job. All right, feet shoulder width apart. We're going to stretch it forward just right here. Feel all the way in the hamstrings. Good job, everybody. All right, we're going to roll it up nice and slow. Bend those knees, every vertebrae through the spine. Woo! All right, you guys did it. You are amazing. Thank you for running and lifting with us. Man, we'll see you next time. Woo!